Hello guys, my name is Chuma, and in this video I am going to show you how to upload videos, photos and audio files on Capcut PC video editor. It's very easy to do. Kindly follow my instructions carefully. Now, what you can see here is the Capcut PC. Um, and to start a new project, all you need to do is click on this button here. Once you click on it, create project, you click on it, it takes you to the dashboard. So what you can see now is the CapCut PC dashboard. You can see all the buttons and features of the software. What we need to do now is to import file. But before we import file, we need to make sure that the button import has been highlighted. If you notice, if I click on this audio button, you can see it has been highlighted. It means that I'm on the audio panel. So I want to go to the import panel so that I can import video. All right, so if I want to import a file, there are two ways to do that. You can do that by clicking on this button here. You can see once I put my cursor here, it has been highlighted. Once I click on it, it will take me to the folder where my file is located. Or you can just go to the folder itself and drag it on this cache platform. So let's start with the first method. I want to use this button here, the import button. Once I click on it, it takes me to the folder. So I want to import a file I recently worked on. Is a marketing project for my Facebook ads. Yes, this is it here. So I'm going to import these two files. The first one, I'm going to use the first method to import this one, while the second method I'll use it to import this one. So let me import this with the first method. Once I click on it, you can see this is my file. This is the video you are seeing here. It's just for me to now drag this file and put on the timeline. So this is the timeline here where you can now work on your project, where you can do your editing and anything you need to add to your project. All right, so that's the first method. So the second method, all you need to do is just go to the folder itself. This is the folder right here. All I need to do is just for me to click on that file, and here is the file. Just want me to drag it to CapCut. So this is CapCut. I drag it on the cache and I drop it here. You can see the file has been added on the import panel or the cache. All right, so that's how to import a file on CapCut PC. To use the file for a project by editing, that will be a video for next time. All you need to do is for you to start a project, just for you to just drag that file into the timeline. Let me just do one example so you see how it's done. If I just click on this file, I drag it on the timeline, at it, you can see it has been added to the timeline. So I can now start doing my editing on that particular file. There's another method of doing that. You can also drag a file into the timeline by clicking on this plus button. If you click on this plus button, automatically it will be added to the timeline. So once I click on this, watch what will happen. It has been added to the timeline. So you can see if I drag the timeline cursor, if I drag it, you can see these are two different videos. Two different videos. This is one video, this is second video, which I imported to CapCut PC. All right, thanks very much for watching this video. If you love this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel grow and also raise my rankings in YouTube. To watch more videos like this one, feel free to check some of the videos that I'll be posting soon. Also, you can support me by subscribing to the Lumi Business software in the link provided. So I actually work with Lumi Business Inventory software. It's a software company. The name of the company is actually Lumi Software Company. And you can check the link provided below to know more about the software. For those of us that are business owners and entrepreneurs that need a software to manage their stock and inventory, please support me by subscribing to this software, and I'll be so grateful. All right. Feel free to contact me for more info if you want to learn more. Thanks so much. I really appreciate. See you in the next video.